Hello guys, how are ya? Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? With
Daddy,
another
what?
Munchpak video.
Hello.
Using the GoPro. Hope you guys enjoy this version.
Hey.
And let's focus here, girls.
Hey.
Come on.
Hey. Fine, I'll just get out here. It's me. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
All right.
You always come with a collector's book. Today we might be getting all of these things, but I have no idea. And I think we did.
Ooh. Interesting.
I can't really throw that hard because this
First
camera,
of all, look at the
it
packaging.
lifts up. Ooh.
That is awesome. It's so cute. Where's it from?
I'm trying to.
It's caramel corn.
Caramel.
Tomato caramel corn. This could be interesting. Japan.
Who made this? Oh.
It smells like peanut butter.
Yeah, it smells like peanut butter. It looks like a smile.
It does.
It looks like a cheese. Like, you know what I mean? Like mac and cheese. It looks like mac and cheese, but hard.
Mm.
Tastes like peanut butter. It tastes like peanut butter.
Yeah, it definitely tastes like caramel. I don't taste any tomato. The girls are hyper. Let's see. Chips. Actually, on here they call it crisps.
Ew.
Piper's Crisp Company, sweet chili flavored, from the United Kingdom. Did you know United Kingdom, London is home to the largest library in the world? The towering British Library in King's Cross, London, has over 170 million items in its catalog. That's impressive.
These are probably the
Every month you do the little trivia
These
thing in there.
These are probably the most impressive, famous chips we ever tried. And the Mrs. Small Rizzle. And it looks like a formal.
Relax. Relax.
Oh, this looks like chips we tasted before.
They look like barbecue flavor. I'm gonna go for a big one.
Ooh.
Go big or go home.
You know what?
Ooh.
I look like a formal bag of chips. White, Sammy. It tastes like.
That's really good.
Tastes like Culver's chicken, but really, really hard. Okay, so that's why they're impressive.
I love Munchpak.
It looks like a spawny olive.
It's a little cold, by the way. It was just sitting outside all day,
All day?
I guess. Hide and seek fab. Vanilla. I love the packaging. Purple.
I see some really good snacks in here.
Yeah, there's some good stuff in here this time. A lot of sweets though.
These are my
Hide and
favorite.
seek Choco roll. From India.
India. They got a little cookie too.
We'll get to that. Don't worry.
It's off. It's off. Daddy's off. It's not recording.
It's recording.
It's not.
The light's flashing.
It's all black though.
It's fine. Ooh, this looks pretty good.
Guys, I thought it was off, but it's literally not. It's all black. Okay, as I was saying, this looks really good. What's the from China?
Don't be eating all the chips now. Mrs. Rizzle is stealing the chips. Oh, that's really good.
Tastes like an Oreo, but this part, it's kind of like
A little sweeter.
It's kind of like a chocolate s'more. It's kind of like a chocolate cracker.
Yeah, this feels almost like an Oreo. I mean, like a graham cracker texture.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
I wouldn't pick this as my favorite, but it's pretty good. I have to say,
All right.
it's pretty good.
Now, a single word is in English. Big Bear's Ramune candy from Japan.
I thought it was a cookie, but I think it's good. I
That's
think
what it
it's
says.
good.
Candy.
Oh my god.
Ooh, soda flavored.
That is
Weird.
what is that? So soft. What was it?
She picked the year.
It's like bubble gum. I didn't even get one.
Whoa.
Like when you try to bite it, it's like really soft. When you
That was like a brick.
oh my gosh.
Okay. That was good.
Good. When you bite it, like when you
When you first bite into it, it feels like a jawbreaker. It feels like it's not meant to be chewed on. No pun intended.
no,
but-
so when you are trying to bite into it, it's like really soft, like really soft. And then when you bite into it, it's like a hard brick. You want this dad for Christmas? It's almost here, so please comment if you want this dad, because he's really annoying, like really annoying.
Let's do, what is that one?
Fire coal.
Ooh.
Oh
Let me share the packaging. Hang on. That looks intimidating. That looks awesome.
Ew.
Not really fire coal.
Haiti baked
That's a
potato
big
flavor.
I like this.
Haiti baked potato flavor biscuits from South Korea. Incredibly crunchy Korean snack biscuits in the flavor of baked potato. Baked potato? Interesting.
How much? Jasmine.
South Korea.
Bye. Wait. Cheers. Wait. Sword fight.
No sword fight.
Fine. You broke me. Huh? No. Really plain, but when you like start it, but when you're getting to the end and starting to settle it, it tastes like tomato. I like those.
No, it's potato. That's actually not bad.
a formal bag. Sammy, that looks like a formal bag. Okay, what is the nothing? Mrs. Rizzle found her new favorite love.
Mrs. Rizzle is getting adopted for Christmas.
No.
No, you're not getting
It's not
adopted.
one. No. It's not. Yeah. That. No, that's not what
What do we got? Yummy gummy.
What's that one?
Yummy
Let
gummies.
Daddy do it. You open one and then open one. Don't be like that.
Yummy gummy licorice sour rainbow cables. Cables. From Turkey.
You want to open it?
Speaking of turkey, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving, fans.
There is going to be a Thanksgiving vlog from us, so stay tuned for that in a couple of days.
Hey, where are the chips? Where are the chips?
Your mother has them. What, they're all gone?
Behind you.
Oh,
Oh, those are really good.
those were good. I'm going to have to try and get some on the
Guys,
Munchpak
so
store.
next time you give us a lunch pack, give us a big bag of I'm gonna give my juice, okay? Don't just talk! Is a cord really this bendable, guys? Comment down below. Oh,
I like it. Very colorful.
oh,
Sour?
Excuse me.
not really so good.
No.
You wanna try the sour? I didn't know a cord tastes like that.
Interesting. So when you first bite into it, it's sweet. And then it turns sour. most your sour sweet candies, it's sour then sweet. This kind of does a reverse job on you.
Kind of like a sweet and sour candy.
Sweet first, then sour. I like it.
This looks good.
Let's get the boring one out of the way first. Cookies and cream Pocky. I've had that many times.
I love the chocolate ones, the plain.
From Thailand.
I love the ones that are plain with
I
the
like
chocolate.
cookies and cream. I like cookies and cream. I like Pocky.
I like just the normal plain ones with the melted chocolate on the bottom. Can you stop? Get this guy for Christmas. I swear, he's so annoying. Three ice popsicles coming on a Saturday morning. Hey, you got 2 sticks. You got the smallest.
Yeah. That's what I call close encounter.
Ew! It tastes like a counter. It tastes like a cow. Skin. Ew, yeah. If we were doing a competition of which number it gets, if we were doing that, I would give that one a 1.
Relax. Not my favorite, but not bad.
It's gonna be yours. People just stop eating these because this is my favorite.
Chill out, Sammy. Chill out. Let's see what's next. Delizia.
Mommy, do you want to try this? Mama? Mommy. wanna try this?
Matilde, Vicenzi, Okay, well, I'm done. Italy. All right, I like Italy snacks. Ooh, you're gonna like this next one coming up, hon. I don't even know what flavor this is. I'm guessing a lemon. But look at the packaging. Isn't that sweet? It looks like Christmas.
They don't even have more in that bag for me. Only like one.
Oh no! Why do I make a mess? Italy snacks are messy. They're good, but they're messy. Oh, look at that.
Do you guys have Korean snacks?
4K camera.
There it is. I'm like, where did the...
That's a no.
Let me take this. I love the sounds it is.
Good.
What are you doing?
Muy Bon Chocolate Hazelnut Bar from Mexico.
I had to drink my pop.
It's from Kit Kat Company.
My tongue is like this.
It's like a hazelnut.
Yeah.
Well,
Sammy, let it open.
relax, Jazz, relax.
Mushroom. It's kind of like a peanut full of chocolate.
Alright. Sam, you too. Relax.
It comes with a note. Of your whatever. What is this study?
not bad. Not bad.
Okay.
Mmm.
Not my favorite. I deserve this a 2. Not really good.
What do you think?
I give it a 2.
Let's give it to the Mexican.
I give it 1. Well, I give it a 10.
Last but not least, Hawaiian Punch.
Oh,
Candy jellies. Hang on. What, that? Hazelnut Kit Kat from Mexico. Hawaiian Punch jellies made from America.
there's pink,
America.
blue, red, and orange, and green.
One of these days I need to get the family Munchpak. Just to see.
I got the red. Did you anything else because I had to sew these things with my mom? Okay.
Alright. So we got Fruit Juicy Red, Berry Blue Typhoon, Orange Ocean, Green Berry Rush, and the pink one is torn off. I can't see what that one is. You gonna take the pink? You don't get very many.
You didn't even get that.
I'm gonna go with an orange though.
Switch that?
That's awesome. It looks like a sunrise. Mmm. Mmm. It almost tastes like there's juice in the middle.
I think my mom loves it. I don't know.
I'm gonna do a red one and do a cross section here.
And my mom don't like it because it's gonna
Okay. Ooh, that's a good one to end on.
You just put that on.
Interesting.
Bye, guys.
Okay. That's it for Munchpak video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We have a Thanksgiving vlog coming up here soon. Also another movie review. I will be reviewing the new Christmas Chronicles 2. So be sure to look out for that in a couple of days. And we'll see you in the next one.
Oh.